And why are you running it through the icebox?
So you have cool water.
For
you, because you like cool water.
Yeah, for me.
Here's to our new travels. Cheers, guys. Thanks for joining us, by the way.
We're just caught another fish, but it was a little bit small, so it's gone back. And we're now leaving the reef, well, the Great Barrier Reef, and heading to Blue Pearl Bay for the night. And it's Saturday, the day before Mother's Day in Australia, so we sort of wanted to get into range for Mother's Day. So yeah, that's where we're going, and it's a beautiful day. We've got 4 sails up, we're motor sailing because there's only about 10 knots of breeze, and yeah, life's good. See ya. Got sparkles on the water again.
Yeah.
After a few days at the reef, we're now heading back to the islands. And tonight we're heading for Stonehaven, which is a beautiful bay, and tomorrow is Mother's Day. So we changed our minds, and instead of anchoring or mooring in Stonehaven, we decided to go to Langford Reef. But once we got to Langford Reef, we thought, we've been there before, so let's go to Black Island. So that's where we are now. There are 3 moorings on Black Island, and we're on one of them. And this is where we're going to spend the night. See ya.
What do you reckon? We go for a little dinghy over at sunset and watch the sun go down off on the beach.
Yeah, sounds lovely.
And get carried away by the sandflies.
Yay! It's a very cute little island.
It's beautiful.
Apparently it has very good snorkeling, and you can do a drift dive here, I think. We're heading back to Airlie Beach now. We're going to drop off some stuff from the boat that we've decided we don't need to have, pick up a few extra things that we do need, spend a couple of days organising the last bits and pieces, and then we will head off, head north. Yeah. Magnus has been busy tidying things up today, putting stuff away, and now he is about to work on the new water filter system that we're putting in, or he's putting in, because to buy a new filter for our old system was about the same price as buying a whole new system. So,
just the filter element.
Yeah. So what have you got there? That's a...
What I've got here is a 5 micron inline filter. I think it's 5. Yeah, 5 micron. And then that's followed up by a 5 micron carbon and sediment filter. And then I'm going to run it through the ice box with a couple of loops, and then via some insulated water line I'm going to run it to the tap.
And why are you running it through the ice box?
So you have cool water.
For
you, because you like cool water.
Yeah, for me.
It'll only be like the first glass will be cool, the rest will just come straight from the water system.
So it's going in there, in the saloon seat. And I think Magnus is going to take out
the old water pump.
The old water pump.
Change in a hurry.
Tidy that up in there. And he told me yesterday that he's got 28 boat jobs to do.
Yeah.
And he's rationing himself to just one a day.
Yeah.
Otherwise he'll run out too soon.
There we go, the filters are in. It's tucked in there nicely. So now I've just got to remove the old pressure pump and mount the one I put in a few months ago as an urgent backup.
We're in a bit of a mess again. Stuff
Not for long.
Everywhere, but Magnus has now installed a saltwater tap. Yet to plumb it in, but
Nearly there.
Getting there.
It's still pretty messy down there.
You're just reinforcing the seat again.
Mm-hmm. I just need some paint.
Yep.
Which is Wendy's department.
What are you doing now?
Just putting in some screws to hold the curtain up in front of all our spare parts area.
Okay.
Can you pull the curtain your way, please? Right. There we go.
That looks so much tidier.
Everything cut.
What hidden workshop and craft behind there?
Yeah. You can still reach in here to get your trays and cutting boards and all these things at the end.
Yeah. Oh, fantastic.
We're slowly getting there.
And it's much tidier behind as well.
Oh yeah.
So it's all getting better and better every day. What's going on?
We are motoring out of the anchor field or the mooring field here at Airlie Beach. Just got the headsail up and just motoring out through all the moorings. And if you look at the compass, it says north. We're finally heading north. It's just the most amazing feeling. We're just past a friend's boat over there and just passing another friend's boat here. Dire Straits, and we are off. We've got about 15 to 18 knots looking out there, some little white caps around, beautiful blue sky with a few puffy clouds. Yeah, it's going to be great, pretty excited. So yeah.
Bye-bye, Airlie Beach.
Adios!
Adios.
See you in 5 years!
Doesn't everybody have a toilet in their saloon?
is where we're heading for first on our first night out. We're here now and we're going up here around Grimston Point, across Woodwark Bay and into the second bay of Double Bay. And anchor up there tonight. Just cruise along at about 3.5, 3.8 knots. There's about 10 knots of breeze, 12 knots of breeze. Yeah, it's all looking pretty good.
We just arrived at Grassy Island and we're going to spend the night here. This is our first stop on our trip and it's pretty gorgeous. It's very calm. We've had lovely breezes and we've had a busy few weeks, so it's just nice to stop. It's been very frantic, very, very busy, and now we can just relax for a few minutes. So yeah, here we are.
Broken a string on my ukulele and I don't have any more with me, so I'm going to try a bit of fishing line, see how that goes.
We've arrived at our anchorage, we're all settled in, dinner's in the oven, Magnus is practicing his ukulele and we're about to open this bottle of bubbles for the first day of the trip.
It now worked. I have a perfectly tuned D string. Anyway, but practice can wait because today is day one of. We finished all our test sail and shakedown and everything. Today is day one of heading north. So we've headed north all afternoon, and we thought we'd celebrate with a nice bottle of Bailey Brut Cuvée NV wine of Australia, and it must be good because it's 33% more wine because it's a litre, so it's got to be good if it's 33% more. It's from somewhere, yeah, contains alcohol. Anyway, so Wendy said, would you like to do the honours? We've got our best cut glasses out, and I always like to just give it one little one. And then here goes.
You've got to catch it, baby. Well caught.
It's just there. It's just there. The boat caught it. Oh, how, what's the word? How, not ominous, how ironic is that the boat caught our cork. So they're not really champagne flutes, but on boats it's hard to make them balance. Pretty excited. We're heading north. Now Wendy loves her champers, so I'll top that up a little bit.
Thanks, babe.
You, my dear. And I'm not that keen on champers, so a little one for me. Right. Here's to our new travels. Cheers, guys. Thanks for joining us, by the way.
Yum.
Oh, that is a good glass of Brut Champenois, Method Champenoise. Cheers.